It's Christmas Eve, all who believe Santa is here, but once a year, all girls and boys dream of new toys. Soundly they sleep, wishes to keep. Jing, jing-a-ling, come hear us sing. Breaths on the door, stockings and more. Magic this thrice, spells come alive. Snow in the air, laughter to share. Family and friends, season to cleanse. Joyful and dear and
God rest ye merry gentlemen, let nothing you dismay. Remember Christ our Savior was born on Christmas Day to save us all from Satan's power when we were gone astray.
The most famous reindeer of all,
Charles.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows.
It's frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Man, it doesn't show signs of stopping. And I brought me some corn for popping. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow.
Weather outside is frightful, but that fire is delightful. Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
It's all the colors that you're seeing in your head. Now strip away the shit and feel the darkness, feel it spread. This is what it's like to be known as dead. Now open up your eyes, you see the world that is red. Now what's the word, Captain? I think I got you naked.
4 o'clock, wallow in self-pity. 5 o'clock, solve world hunger. Tell no one. 5:30, jazzercise. 6:30, dinner with me. I can't cancel that again. 7 o'clock, wrestle with my self-loathing. I'm booked.
sweet sugar candy man.
God rest ye merry gentlemen, let nothing you dismay. Remember Christ our Savior was born on Christmas Day to save us all from Satan's power when we were gone astray. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy, comfort and joy, oh, tidings of comfort.
Weather outside is frightful, but that fire is delightful. Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Sweet sugar candy man.
They're not gonna hurt you. Open the door. What?
You guys give up, or you're thirsty for more?
Before there's stones, I'll dance, dance, dance with my hands, hands, hands above my head, like Jesus said I'm gonna.
I'm bad as Michael Jackson. Hey, it's a holiday. I got hoes on hoes and they
God rest ye merry gentlemen, let nothing you dismay. Remember Christ our Savior was born on Christmas Day to save us all from Satan's power when we were gone astray. Oh,
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas
Icicle, I'm Mr. Ten Below. Friends call me Snow Miser. Whatever I touch turns to snow in my clutch. I'm too much. I'm Mr. Green Christmas. I'm Mr. Sun. I'm Mr. Heat Blister. I'm Mr. 101. They call me Heat Miser. Whatever I touch starts to melt in my clutch. I'm too much.
You're a mean one. You really are a hero. You're as cuddly as a cactus. You're as charming as an eel. Mr. Grinch.
They're not gonna hurt you. Open the door. What?
You little...
God rest ye merry gentlemen, let nothing you dismay. Remember Christ our Savior was born on Christmas Day.
Where are you, Christmas? Why can't I find you? Why have you gone away?
The most famous reindeer of all,
Just
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer game.
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop.
Bunny, 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 you're so funny with your twitching nose.
Bunny, 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 you're so funny from your head to your toe.
Mr. Grinch, my name is Cindy Lou Who. Mr. Grinch, came to invite you to be holiday cheermeister.
That's a good one.
I know you hate Christmas, but what if it's all just a misunderstanding?
Don't care.
I mean, I myself am having some Yuletide doubts. But maybe if you can reunite with the Who's and be a part of Christmas, then maybe it'll be all right for me too. Please, please, you have to accept the award.
Come on.
Yeah, with a trophy and everything.
And I won.
You won!
God rest ye merry gentlemen, let nothing you dismay. Remember Christ our Savior was born on Christmas Day. To save us all from Satan's power when we were gone astray. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy, comfort and joy, oh, tidings of comfort.
When marimba rhythms start to play, dance with me, make me.
The most famous reindeer of all,
Just
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, had a very...
Who the hell are you? That name better not stick.
You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose.
Everyone underestimates me, but then they turn their back and I'm like, boo!
¿Qué es? ¿Qué es? Hay luces de color. ¿Qué es? Parece de algodón. ¿Qué es? No creo lo que veo. Estoy soñando, no lo sé. ¿Qué injusto es? ¿Qué es? ¿Qué es? ¿Qué es? ¿Hay algo que va mal? ¿Qué es? ¿Quién canta sin parar? ¿Qué es? Las calles están llenas de chavales. Todos ríen sin cesar. Es que estoy loco. Debe ser felicidad. ¿Qué es?
God rest ye merry gentlemen, let nothing you dismay. Remember Christ our Savior was born on Christmas Day to save us all from Satan's power when we were gone astray. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy, comfort and joy, oh, tidings of comfort.
They're not gonna hurt you. Open the door.
Sunny Digital. I'm a dog, just like Gucci said. Married to the money, I'm a newlywed.
Looks like someone's mad. Go cry about it, bitch.
Damn, son, these bitches want some. Hey, Freddy, can I